Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta, stock number 6085. This ran from 02-2011 to the 12-2017. It has a CTH 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CTH 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.